Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we bring the future of driving straight to your screen. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a car that's redefining what it means to be a compact SUV in India, the all-new Tata Nexon 2026. Bold, futuristic, and smarter than ever, this is more than just an upgrade, this is Tata's statement of intent. From the very first glance, the Nexon 2026 hits you with its evolved design. It's sharper, sleeker, and more aerodynamic, taking inspiration from Tata's Impact 2.0 design language, but pushing it into a bolder direction. The front grille is slimmer and more aggressive, flanked by ultra-modern split LED headlamps that scream high-tech. The DRLs now stretch wider and carry a new light signature, instantly making this car stand out, even in a crowded parking lot. Step to the side and you'll notice the coupe-like roofline flowing cleanly into a redesigned rear that now feels more premium than ever. Flush door handles, new alloy wheels, and a floating roof effect all work together to give the Nexon 2026 a more international appeal. It looks less like a budget SUV now, and more like something you'd expect from a European showroom. But the real story begins inside. Tata has seriously raised the bar when it comes to interior quality. Step in, and the dual-tone dashboard welcomes you with soft-touch materials, a panoramic touchscreen setup, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. The highlight, a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster. It's fast, fluid, and finally on par with global standards. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are now wireless, and the UI has been overhauled for a smoother experience. Tata's new voice assistant, powered by natural language AI, understands not just commands, but context. Say something like, "I'm feeling cold," and the system will increase the cabin temperature. It's these little details that make the Nexon 2026 feel like it belongs in a smarter era. Under the hood, Tata gives you options, because one size doesn't fit all. You get a turbocharged petrol engine that's been fine-tuned for better responsiveness and fuel economy, and there's a diesel variant for those long-distance cruisers. And yes, an updated Nexon EV is also on the way, with improved range and faster charging tech. Transmission options include a slick shifting 6-speed manual, a 6-speed AMT, and now even a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for the petrol. Tata is finally listening to the enthusiasts. In terms of safety, the Nexon 2026 continues to set the benchmark. With 6 airbags standard on most variants, ESC, hill hold, and 360-degree camera assist, it's more prepared than ever for unpredictable roads. The platform has been further strengthened, and it's already in line to receive a global NCAP 5-star rating. ADAS features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking may also be offered in the top trims. Driving the Nexon 2026 is a noticeable step up from the previous model. The suspension has been reworked to offer a better balance between comfort and control. On bad roads, it soaks up potholes effortlessly, while on highways, it feels planted and composed. The steering has improved feedback and feels more connected, especially in the sport mode. Let's not forget the features that Tata has quietly made standard across the lineup: rear AC vents, connected car tech, air purifier, wireless charging, and a 9-speaker JBL sound system that sounds fantastic. The ventilated seats, sunroof, and 60/40 split rear seats just add to the practicality. It's not just a driver's car, it's a family car done right. But here's the best part, Tata hasn't gone wild with the pricing. While final prices may vary slightly, early reports suggest Tata is keeping the Nexon 2026 well within reach of the mass premium segment. In a world of inflated prices and shrinking value, this is a breath of fresh air. So who is the Tata Nexon 2026 for? If you want a car that's tech-packed, safe, stylish, and made for Indian roads, this is a no-brainer. Whether you're a young professional looking for your first SUV or a family needing a solid daily driver that doesn't cut corners, the Nexon delivers. It's not just catching up with rivals, it's aiming to lead the segment again. We'll be doing a full performance test and EV range comparison soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and tell us in the comments, would you buy the Nexon 2026 or are you waiting for something else? Thanks for watching the Dream Cars, where every drive begins with a dream.